In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive in just 5 minutes. This guide will take you through the steps needed to ensure your OneNote notes are stored safely and can be accessed from anywhere at any time using OneDrive. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Microsoft account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft's website. Simply enter your credentials as prompted, your email and password, and sign in. This will set you up nicely to access all Microsoft Office applications online. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the app launcher. This icon looks like a grid of small squares and gives you access to various Microsoft apps. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Find and select OneNote from this menu to be taken to your digital notebooks. Now, within OneNote, choose the specific note you want to save to OneDrive. If you haven't yet created the note you want to save, you can create one now or pick one from your existing notes. Once you have your note ready, there's a crucial point to understand. OneNote is designed with seamless integration with OneDrive in mind. This means any notes you create or edit are automatically saved to your OneDrive. However, if for some reason your OneNote doesn't indicate that it's automatically saving to OneDrive, make sure to double check this setting. On the off chance you're not seeing it available, you'll need to save the note manually. Do this by clicking on the note's name and you'll be able to navigate to the file options. Here's what to do if auto-saving is not yet available. Click on File at the top menu bar. Following this, choose Share from the sidebar that appears. This action will bring up a new selection in the main window. From here, pick OneDrive as your preferred choice for saving your note. Confirm your choice and the note will then be saved to your OneDrive account. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button to ensure your note is stored correctly in OneDrive. This step ensures that you can access your note from any device as long as you're connected to the internet and logged into your Microsoft account. Remember, having your notes saved to OneDrive not only keeps them safe but also makes them readily available wherever you go. That's all it takes. By following these easy steps, you'll have your OneNote notes syncing effortlessly with OneDrive, ensuring they're safe, secure, and accessible on the cloud. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft apps efficiently.